Morning, everyone. Welcome back to chapter 5. Today we're gonna continue with the logarithm. We did logarithm even we're doing year 11, so hopefully you guys still remember how we actually transferring from a to the power of x and to the log a y equal to x. So remember, you had your power and you had your base and you had your result. So once you write your log, you have to write log and your base is on the bottom and your result is in front and then equal to x, which is your power. So we try to calculate the power instead of the result. So and also we have something logarithm, the exponential functions with logarithm functions and the inverse. So once we have base on a, but a to the power x, that equal to x. So which means if you had so log 2 and 2 to the power of 3, so that equal to 3. Yeah, and once you had log a to the power of log ax, that equal to x as well. So the law 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to make sure write down in your reference book. The first one, log based on am n and equal to log am plus log an. And log am divided by n that equal to log am minus log an. That's the quadrat and the product rule. And then log of the power, so which is you put the power in front of log a and so and then you will find your power straight away. And sometimes you had a 1 over, which is negative in front, and then log 5, which is like a 0 and 1s. So let's start with some questions actually. So we're gonna try to express the following logarithm single terms. So we have 2 log e 3 and log e 16 minus 2 log e 6 over 5. Okay, so the first one we could rewrite as log e 3 to power square plus log e and 16 and minus 2 log e and 6 over 5. And then that equal to log e 9 and multiply by 16. And because it's 2 in front, we can rewrite log e 6 over 5 squared. And then that equal to log e 16 multiplied by 9, so that equal to let me try, I think it's 144 and minus log e 36 over 25. And then because that's minus, we could do divide, so log e 144 divided by 16 over 25, and that equal to log e 144 multiplied by 25 over 36. Yep, and once we got these, we could simplify. And yeah, we could simplify equal to that should be equal to 100 actually, because 36 times 4 equal to 144. There you go. So that's a 4 times 25 equal to log e 25. Sorry, 100, my bad. 100. Okay, that's it. That's your result. It's not too bad, actually. So make sure just step by step and try to practice some like a logarithm laws, and then you be figure out that so quickly. All right, so let's keep going. Now we're gonna start with some questions. I might just do the one question. So on the left hand side, I might do the left hand side one. So the first thing first, we start with log e and x minus 1 plus log e x plus 2 equal to log e 6x minus 8. Okay, so first thing, on the left hand side, we try to figure out log e x minus 1 times x plus 2 equal to log e 6x minus 8. Yeah, and then we're gonna try to do is log e x squared plus x minus 2 equal to log e 6x minus 8. And which means if they both have a log e, so we just calculate instead these things. Left and right. So that x squared plus x minus 2 equal to 6x minus 8. X squared and minus 5x and plus 6 equal to 0. So x1 equal to 3 or x equal to 2. Once you finish these, not done yet, because you're gonna try to figure out, because remember, logarithm inside the bracket you cannot equal to something. Remember, have to be the positive number. So which means you have to figure out if 6x minus 8, so 6x minus 8 have to be the positive number. So the solution must be x minus 1 greater than 0, x plus 2 greater than 0, or 6x minus 8 is greater than 0. So you can say the both solutions are correct. So double check. So you have to be x minus 1 greater than 0, x plus 2 greater than 0, and 6x minus 8 greater than 0. So you have to answer straight away, and there you go. You'll be able to figure out how to do the questions. Also, you could using the CAS calculator, and we're gonna go through with CAS calculator step by steps on during the class. And please make sure you guys know how to do it. And yeah. And one more question on this one. Oh, this one is actually gonna be familiar with you guys as soon as you say this question. So I'm gonna go through the first step: 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 and equal to 4. So the 4 actually we could rewrite as log e and e to the power 4. That actually equals. So which means 2x plus 1 over x minus 1 equal to e to the power 4. And we're going to calculate the x, right? So we're going to try to do 2x plus 1 and equal to e to the power 4 x minus 1, and 2x plus 1 equal to e to 4x minus e4, and 2x minus e4x equal to negative e4 minus 1, and x equal to, so x and bracket, so 2 minus e to the 4 equal to negative e4 minus 1. So x equal to negative e4 minus 1 and 2 minus e4. There you go. That's pretty much how you're gonna figure out the questions and figure out the x equals. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys, and I'm probably gonna keep continuing next time. See you guys later.